of the time, learner asks this question: why data structure is so important? Since last so many years, data structures is a subject in computer science, and lot of computer science engineers and learners are studying this subject. But till today, data structure is equally important. One reason is data structure provides different data structures, and those data structures are used to solve different problems. Every data structure has its own nature of to store the data. It has its own set of operations along with different algorithms for those operations. This is one straightforward benefit of learning data structures. But apart from it, there are two more important points. Those are increasing importance of data structures. Point number one is it is a base for learning other advanced subjects in computer science. And point number two, data structure is useful in improving your programmability, your programming skills. Let us try to understand one by one. Please watch this video till the end so that you will find out how data structure is important. Data structures provide so many data structures like linked list, stack, queues, trees, etc. And all of those we have to learn in data structures. That is a straightforward benefit of learning data structures. Once you learn these data structures, you can apply them in solving different problems in other programs. But apart from these data structures benefit, there are two more benefits as we discussed. Data structure is best for learning other subjects. Nowadays, lot of subjects are available in the market and they are based on data. Data is become one of the powerful tool, and for every business data is important. Everyone is running behind the data. Lot of tools are used to work on data. Data is collected from customers, data is collected from employees, data is collected from social media platforms. And this entire data, it becomes a huge data and it has to be used for solving different problems. Data science is a new career opportunity available in the market. What is data science and how it is useful in career development? It is a separate subject to study, and already I have uploaded one video on data science. If you are interested in understanding what data science is, then please watch the data science video, and its link is given in the description below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel and give your like if you really like the video. You can also share this video with your friends. So data science can be learned easily. Other data subjects like big data, database management system, RDBMS, soft computing, neural networking, everywhere now we are using data, and if you are good in data structures, definitely you will be good in learning those advanced subjects too. Right? So this is the one important factor why data structure is important today also. Second point, in learning data structures, you have to learn different data structures along with its nature and algorithm. You have to understand the algorithms. You have to develop some algorithms. This process motivates your brain to develop the logic. If you are continuously understanding and writing algorithms for different data structures, ultimately it will improve your programmability. Even after learning different programming languages, you may not become a good programmer, because to become a good programmer, you should have a good logic. You should be able to write a good solution, practical solution to solve the problem. And this ability will be developed by practice. If you are learning data structures along with its algorithms and implementing them in different programming languages, you can improve your programmability, and ultimately it will helpful for you to become a good programmer. I hope these 2 points will clear why data structure is so important today also. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching the video.